It's really thick density, so you want to make sure you are getting enough. It's hard to like just supporting it. All right. So this is the newest color, like I think it's sparkling rose gold. News is color, liquid and powder and gel polish matching collections for fall. And then the banana and fall in love colors. So all new collections as well. You are going to see it at the show. Let me make sure I'm going to spread it out. It's good. Okay. And then no white top coat on the top. And then we're gonna do, thank you, Mika. So when you see the dragon scale, it's just so much fun. This is still my favorites. Is kind of nail arts designs is dragon scale. Is so fun and it's easy to do, and it lasts up to like 6 weeks easily. Some place and you're seeing it's a little bit raised up, it means that you're putting it up. You can encapsulate this one as well, or you can do it right on the top and next to your crystal as the crystal placements. And you see this one, it will be like kind of halos. That's one you're gonna place this on that side, but then the one is like you can feel like it raise up. I don't know how is that saying it. It's more like a dome look. Let's just pair them together. I'm so obsessed with this. You will never go wrong with this super cute dragon scale. And it's coming in tall colors. Right, so adorable.
And if you're interested in any of the product that Nancy is using, know that everything is available online at glitzextensionsuch.com. And same thing for tutorial. So like this is working on dragon scale right now, and then we actually have a lot of video about dragon scale. So just go to our IGTV, or YouTube, or our Facebook video. Look for dragon scale. You see
This is my favorite application. Hold on. So now when you're doing yourself, here's some tip and trick. Somehow it looks like I'm making my nails, but look at this. So when I look at down here, it looks like it's straight, right? Maybe it's not. But now I'm looking on this side, it's just like off completely the center. So is this okay? You can just move it. It's the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is you can adjusting it until you are happy with your designs before you cure. Not just adjusting it. I'm just adding the perfect pear shape on with the dragon scale. Adjusting it, adjusting it, adjusting it. And just using the other end of your picker. It's really cool though. When I'm doing on the line like this, you feel like it's I don't think it's just really fun. It's not really difficult at all. Even like I can do it under the camera with you and talking. I have no issue at all. So easy and simple. And so gorgeous though. The finish is like stunning. Alright, so I'm gonna add one more. And then you can add some crystals on it. It's more crystal as you wish. And I still see my marbling, which is I'm using bananas and then also fall in love colors here. I'm gonna using this two tiny is pumpkin spice crystals. What did I just drop? And another one. All right, so now, oh, I have this one. I want this. I'll make it fit in here. There you go. And then if you are happy with this, you can stop at any time. But I think I'm happy with this, but I keep asking you more. You see how bad it is? I'm like, I want more. Okay, so I'm looking for someone's really cutest, like a frame. This is a little bit big, so don't worry, you can cut it using the crystal clipper, crystal remover clipper. Let's see, where is that at? Cut in half. Okay, so you have exactly the size you want. If you want bigger, smaller, longer, you can do it. I just finished like 2 nails, easy, simple. And just for your ideas, I'm using this pumpkin spice. Is back in the stock and with the bigger size for your money. So beautiful. You can continue if you want to. Okay, so let me wipe it off first. On this side, you can see that when it start moving, and like, I mean, I'm moving my nails, like, just you can see that. And just wipe it off, all the excess like condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. It might be occur during a time we're moving, just like any tumblings before. All right, so cure for 60 seconds.